Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about smile. Smile expansion of smile is support for marginalized individuals for livelihood and enterprises. This is the expansion of smile, and this particular scheme is launched on February 12 of this year. The speciality of this scheme is central sector scheme. You may be knowing that there are two types of scheme. One is central sector scheme and another one is centrally sponsored scheme. In central sector scheme, the funding will be 100% by the center, whereas in case of centrally sponsored scheme, part of the funding will be done by the center and rest will be taken by the state government, and that will be implemented by the state government. So SMILE is a central sector scheme, which means that the funding will be provided 100% by the central government. And this scheme is coming under Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. All these are important points to be noted because all this will be coming as statement for our exam. Then under this scheme, the main focus is on two sections of people. One is transgender community and another one is people who are engaged in begging. Okay, so there are two section of people who are under focus. One is welfare measures for the transgender community and another one is people who are engaged in begging. And another point that we have to study is that there is two sub schemes under this SMILE program. One is that central sector scheme for comprehensive rehabilitation for welfare of transgender person. That is one sub scheme, and another sub scheme is that central sector scheme for comprehensive rehabilitation of persons engaged in the act of begging. So first one is for the transgender and second one is for the person who are engaged in the act of begging. In the first sub scheme, the main activities that will be provided by the central government are scholarships, skill development, shelter homes, medical packages, and formation of transgender protection cell. Okay, so for the education of transgender people, they will be providing scholarship so that they will be getting a better education, hence they will get a better occupation also. And so those who are already completed or more than the age of education level, they will be providing with skill development, okay, so that they will be able to get a job. Then those who do not have homes will be provided with shelter homes, and also they will be provided with medical health packages in selected hospitals. And also there will be a transgender protection cells will be formed in order to register the cases and atrocities against the transgender persons. Okay, so these are the provisions designed by the central government for the welfare of transgender persons. All these are coming under the subscheme for the welfare of transgender persons. Then the second one is for the rehabilitation of persons engaged in the act of begging. In this also, they will be provided, for the people who are engaged in begging will be provided with the shelter homes, those who are homeless, and education also will be provided for these kind of people for getting a better job opportunities. Okay, so these are the sub scheme and associated provisions designed by the central government. So have an idea about all these points in mind, because each of these points can come as a statement in our exam. So study this topic thoroughly. Thank you.